Hello everyone, we are Motorbath from Madhapur. My name is Vipin.
Right?
Yes.
निकल जा रहा बैंक को
Huh?
बैंक निकल जा रहा वायर सही वायर वाला
Today let's talk about the car pickup issue.
निकल गया
We have found out the issue of deacceleration of the vehicle at the running speed of 40 kilometers per hour.
रेस एक्सीलेट करो
Due to the turbo jam, due to the carbon formation in the turbo.
कर दो
Now let's start opening the turbo. To open the turbo, we need to open the battery case, the air filter inlet, and we need to open the different parts of the car. While opening the turbo, be careful about the sensors. They may have the breakages and all, and the wiring issues. We have opened the turbo with exhaust manifold due to the carbon formation in the turbo and as well the exhaust manifold. Here is the exhaust manifold and the turbo, which we can see that there is a jam due to the carbon inside. Manifold? Now we have cleaned the turbo and we started reinstalling to check with the various issues. We have successfully installed the turbo. Now let's see by starting the engine and the engine noise, we'll find out the issue. Now in this video you can clearly hear this turbo sound at the acceleration level.
ऑल काम नहीं कर रहा सही
Okay.
तो देंगे बोले ना देंगे चलो
For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Keep supporting. Thank you. Dhanyawad. Jai Hind.